Greetings folks, it's Sarah in Montana, and today I want to show you guys the Concept 2 models. Now these are going to be the side-by-side models featured next to me. This one is going to be the air model, and this one here is going to be the hydro, as you can see in the corner of the stoves. Now this is a base model stove. It does not connect into any type of water. Over here, this hydro model is going to be a boiler stove, okay? So this plumbs into hydronics, radiant and floor heating, cast iron wall radiators. It has a water jacket that fully surrounds the firebox. Now these operate at a lower pressure. Typically they can't exceed a pressure of about 30 psi. So a couple of things are going to be required in your plumbing into the stove. None of your plumbing components come with the Cookstove, okay? So you wanna make sure your plumbing is connected. It is super important that if you go with the hydro model, that it is always connected to water before you light your first fire. And you do require electricity to have it because you need a pump system to circulate that water, which does require electricity, okay? So keep that in mind. Most people, if they're off-grid, a hydro with a boiler like this is, not a gravity fed system, is typically not ideal for your situation unless you have some type of solar backup or like a battery backup. I know some off-grid people use car batteries, and I've heard people say it can go for like up to 2 weeks with a small little 12-volt DC pump. If anyone is off-grid and using hydro, drop it in the comments and let us know what you use. But yeah, it's a pretty cool option because a lot of the boilers that are available in North America are honestly just like, you know, big outdoor units or something you put in the basement, not something that's attractive like this, and something that's multi-purpose with the baking oven, of course, and the cooktop. The hydro models, they do have these draft controls. This is the auto regulate, and this will open and close the dampers based on the call of the water temperature. And their base models over here don't have any auto regulate. You will manually adjust your damper controls, which basically you have your primary, your secondary, and your oven control located at the top. And on here, you're going to have basically your primary here, which pulls in and out. And you'll use your dial control. I should say your dial is actually going to be your main primary. This pulls in and out, and then you do have your oven control located here. So also the 3 controls, but they're set up a little bit different on the hydro model. This is shown with the stainless steel corners. The stainless steel corners will have black side panels. We also have it in this gray color, and the gray you can see kind of like wraps around the front, and then you don't have these like chrome stainless accents. I really hope that you guys found this video comparison between the Concept stoves. I will point out on this end we have the mini burning, and the mini does actually have the same firebox that these models over here have, and you can see it burns beautifully. We've got a nice fire rolling. Very easy to start. We have a variety of videos of these models burning, so be sure to check them out. If you guys like our videos, please don't forget to give it that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Bye.